Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how you can download Nearpod onto your Google Slides to make any Google Slide activity interactive for your students. So what you're going to do is you're going to first go, let's go back so I can show you. You're going to go to Nearpod and you need to create your account. And if you create a teacher account and you link it to your school, it will be free. So then you want to go to add a lesson, and I clicked lesson in Google Slides. I already have that started, so I'm going to go back and edit it for you and show you how to get the add-on extension for Nearpod into your Google Slides. So you're here at your lesson, and that gives you directions right here. But you want to go up to add-ons. Let it load. Get add-ons. Sorry guys, it's loading. All right, and then you want Nearpod for Google Slides, and then you want install. So you're going to continue, give it permission to install, make sure you're signed into your account. And then you're going to give it access because you want to be able to manipulate and create those Google Slides and make them interactive. So that's what we've done. And now you can find it in the add-ons of your Google Slide, and then you just open within the drive. So let's go ahead, we're done. So now tools, or add-on, I'm sorry, and then we go to Nearpod, open Nearpod. So now we are opening Nearpod. And we can change or add whatever we need to add into our Google Slides now.